I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to rearrange the widgets. So these are the widgets. When you swipe left from the home screen or from the watch face, you get to widgets immediately. Now some widgets are connected. So on one page, you might have 3 widgets. On some pages, you may have 4, like this one. All right. Now you can arrange the order of the widgets to exactly the way you want it. And to do that, you have to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone. So just launch it and then tap on device. And then on the main menu, you should see widgets. All right. So you can tap on that. And here you can see the widgets arranged. So you can see this one is the first one, second one, third one, and fourth. All right. Now, if you can go back to the first one, there are 3 widgets on this page. Okay, so these are the widget pages, and then you have the widgets inside those pages. So on the first one, you can actually get into the page and rearrange the widgets in the page. So for instance, we can leave that to weather, the top part. But let's say, for instance, you want to add something else here. You want to add stats. All right. So you can just tap on that and then choose stats. Just tap on the plus symbol next to stats, and that's going to change that particular widget. Let's say you don't want the sleep widget there and you want calories. You can just tap on that and then tap on calories, and that's going to add the calorie widget there. Now to save that, just tap on the check mark. And now when you go to the watch, you should see we have a new arrangement of that page. And you can do that for all these pages. All right. Now also you can rearrange the widget pages. So for instance, if you want this to be the last one, this one, you can just long press on the side and drag it down. That's going to be the last page of the widgets. So from now on, from the watch face, when you go, you should see that 1, 2, 3, and lastly we have this. So that's basically how to rearrange widgets on your Xiaomi Watch S3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.